Hello. These are videos for people who are having problems with their appliances, whether it be dishwasher, washer, dryer, stove, refrigerator. And I look at these posts. I read the comments in the post, and this is to help you find the problem with your appliance. So DIYers are welcome. Appliance techs are welcome to help out with a problem. I show videos and photos, sometimes videos, sometimes just photos. Let's get started.
Water inlet valve, you can hear it pumping and turning the hot off and on. I don't know. It's on the hot setting on this Kenmore, so that's really hot. But then sometimes it mixes. It's cool. That's hot. Is this supposed to be like turning off and on? Like I said, that's a brand new water inlet valve. I will say that the hot water doesn't put out nearly as much as the cold water. If I were to switch it, it seems a lot slower. I guess that's normal. See, I can touch it here. That's like warm. That's hot. I don't think this is an energy efficient model either. Like I said, if I switch it over to tap cold, let's see what it does. See, that's freezing. That's good. Switch it back over to hot. You hear that knocking? And it's alternating. Like here, I can touch it on hot. You see, that's hot there. Just keep switching. Someone said I might need to change that temperature valve. Or is this normal? It's not supposed to be piping hot in here. Yes? Warm, maybe? Thoughts?
Okay, here are the comments. Munib, temperature sensor on valve, make it do that. Joe, very normal. Matt, normal. Jeffrey, my Friggy does that. Normal depend on temp settings. Noise normal. Raymond, that's normal for that model. You can disconnect the thermistor and you would get all the hot water you want. Is it too hot for washing clothes? So they designed like this. Hello, Brian. This is normal for the most modern washers. Sammy, I told you last week it was the temperature switch. Glenny, that's normal. It's not the temp switch. Okay, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And have a good one.